Hello students, welcome all of you once again in this video session. So as you all know, I am your math teacher. Today I am going to teach you class 8 mathematics. Okay, so we are in first chapter, that is in rational number. In our previous classes we have learned what is rational number and how to represent a rational number on a number line, and comparison of a rational number and equivalent of a rational number. So in this session we are going to different arithmetic operation which are applied on a rational number. Okay, so in today and I am going to solve exercise 1C also. So this exercise is based on the addition of a rational number and subtraction. Okay, so before starting our class, so you have to know some properties of addition of a rational number. So you have given first properties of rational number of addition. So first property you have, that is first property you have closure property. Closure property means what? Whenever you have whenever you add two rational number, that is I am taking a by b and is your one rational number and c by d is another rational number, then you got a rational number. आपको rational number ही obtained होगा यहाँ पे. So question properties number 2 you have, that is commutative property. Okay, so according to this property, when you add a by b plus c by d is equal to c by d plus a by b. Only here you have to alternate them. Okay, अब इसको क्या करना है? Only you have to change the place of a first to second rational number and second by a first rational number. तो ये आपका same आएगा. Next you have a 3 number, that is associative property. Associative property, according to this property, you have given three rational number, that is a by b, c by d plus e by f, and a by b plus c by d is equal to plus e by f. So only you have to do here, group the by any manner. कुछ ही किसी भी मैनर में आप इसको ग्रुप कर सकते हो, तो ये आपका क्या आएगा? इक्वल आएगा. नेक्स्ट यू हैव, दैट इज additive identity of rational number is what? When you add 0 plus any rational number or any rational number with a 0, you got a same rational number, that is a by b. So this is your additive identity. Now you have additive inverse. Additive inverse means what? A by b. Suppose when you add a by b, that is positive, it is a positive, with the negative of a same rational number. When you add a given rational number with their negative sign rational number, you got a 0. So this minus a by b is an additive inverse of plus a by b, and this plus a by b is an additive inverse of minus a by b. So in question you have given, that is 2 by 3, and you have asked to write a additive inverse of 2 by 3, so you have to write here minus 2 by 3 is your required answer. So ये आपका additive inverse है. ये क्या है आपका? additive inverse. And at last you have given multiplicative inverse, or you can say reciprocal of rational number. So when you have given a by b and you multiply it from b by a, you got a 1. Then this b by a is a reciprocal of a by b. So what you understand by seeing this expression? See, whenever you have given minus 2 by 3 and you have asked to find the reciprocal of this minus 2 by 3, then you have to change the numerator with the denominator and denominator with the numerator. So these are the few properties that you should learn properly. Okay, so now I am going to solve exercise 1C. So in question number 1, here you have add the following. Okay, you have a given two rational numbers and you have to add. So let's find the sum. Minus 6 by 11, and here you have to put in the place of and plus sign, and minus 4 by 11. So the LCM of 11 and 11, you have 11, and here minus 6, and plus into minus, minus 4. So minus 6 and minus 4, you have minus 10 by 11. So this is your required answer. So in question number 2 also you have to add, but with a unlike rational number. Unlike है यहाँ पे आपका denominator different है. So here you have given see 7 by minus 18. So you have to put minus with the 7 and here 18. जहाँ भी माइनस नीचे रहेगा उसको आप ऊपर कर सकते हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Plus 8 by 27. So here you have to take a LCM of 18 and 27. Take the LCM 18 and 27. 3 6 ja, 3 9 ja, 3 2 ja, 3 3 ja. So 3 2 ja 6, 6 3 ja 18, 18 3 ja 54. So 54 is your LCM. So now let's divide 18, okay, 54 by 18. So you have 3 7 ja 21, and here minus sign, and 27 2 ja, so 8 2 ja 16. So here you have given minus and plus. One number in minus and other number is in your plus. So let's subtract it. 11 out of 6, what? 5. Here 1 out of 1, 0. And which is greater? Minus 21 or 16? Obviously minus 21. So what is the sign of minus 21 here? Minus. So you have to put here minus 5 by 54 is your required answer. So again, here you have given question number 6. So as I told you that whenever you have given minus on a denominator, put the minus on with a numerator, and here plus and minus 2 by 15. So take a LCM of 12 and 15. See, 3 4 ja, 3 5 ja, 5 4 ja 20, 23 ja 60. So 60 is your LCM. 60 is your LCM, and 12 5 ja 65, 5 1 ja 5, put here minus sign, and here plus minus, plus into minus, minus 15 4 ja 60, and 4 2 ja 8. So whenever you have given more than 2 or more number in minus sign, then you have to add. So minus 5 and minus 8, minus 13, minus 5 and minus 8, minus 13, minus 13 by 60 is your required answer. So this is the solution of question number 1 of 1 and 2 of 5 and 6. So I think you all understand how to solve a addition of a rational number. So now I am going to solve question number 3. In question number 3 you have to verify term. So in question number 3 and 4 you have to verify LHS and RHS. See here 2 by minus 7 and 12 by minus 35. See here, this is your A, B and BA. So this relation is what? This is your commutative law, okay? And this is A by B, C by D and E by F, A by B, C by D and E by F. Only here you have given the expression in the group, any manner, okay? So this is your associative law. So let's divide. First take a LHS, okay? LHS is what? Which are lie on the left side, okay? Left side, 12 by minus 35. So let's put the minus sign with the numerator again, 35, and LCM of 7 and 35 you have 35. 7 5 ja, 5 2 ja 10, plus here plus into minus, minus, plus into minus, minus, and 35 12. So here you have a minus 22 by 35. So now divide, solve RHS. Again take minus 12 by 35 and plus minus 2 by 7. Again 35, LCM of 35 and 7 you have a 35 and minus 12 and minus 10. So here you have also 22 by 35. So see, LHS and RHS are both same. That means hence LHS is equal to RHS. So hence it is verified. Here also take LHS, that is minus 7 by 11, and put the minus sign with the numerator as I said, plus minus 13 by 22. So now first of all you have to solve which are inside the bracket, because according to board mass 11 what is the LCM of 11 5? These two are different numbers, so let's multiply it. 11 5 is 55. So when you divide 55 by 11, you got a 5 7 is 35. Okay, 5 7 is 35, and plus into minus, here plus into minus, minus, here plus into minus, minus, and this 5 11 ja, so 11 2 ja 22, and plus minus minus 13 by 22. So here you have a 55, and let's add this, because whenever you have given two or more number in minus sign, you have to add and put the negative sign before a number. 5 2 plus 2 7, and 3 plus 2 5, minus 57 minus 13 by 22. So the LCM of 55 and 22, see 55 and 22, 11 5 ja and 11 2 ja, 2 5 is 10, 110. Okay, 110. So the LCM of 55 and 22 is 110. 55 2 ja, 2 7 ja 14, 2 5 ja 10, 1 11, minus 114, minus 2 5 ja 13 5 ja 65. So let's add this, because both the number in minus sign. 5 plus 4 9, 5 plus 4 you have 9, and 1 plus 6 7, here you have 1, and put the minus sign, 110. So now let's solve RHS. On RHS you have, that is minus 7 by 11, and plus minus 2 by 5, and plus minus 13 by 22. So minus 7 by 11 plus, first you have to solve which are inside the bracket. The LCM of 5 and 22 is 110. 22 is 44, minus 5, 13 5 is 65. So now minus 7 by 11 and plus, here you have to add, because both the number is given in negative sign, that means you have to add here. So 5 plus 4 9, and 6 plus 4 10, minus, so 110. So the LCM of 11 and 110 is 110 again. 11 10 ja 70, plus minus minus 110. So 109, here you have 109. So 9 7 1, that is, see here you can easily see both the LHS and RHS are equal, hence your expression is verified. So this is your according to associative law. So by following this step, you can verify the LHS and RHS, and at the last you have to write the LHS is equal to RHS, hence verify. So by following this process, you can solve the question number 3 and question number 4. Now I am going to solve question number 5. So in question number 5, you have given fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks according to properties which we are discussed in our previous classes. Okay, so this is totally based on the concept of the properties of a rational number of addition. So in question number 6, you have to write the additive inverse. Okay, as I said, as I told you that whenever you have given find the additive inverse, that is one number you have given 1 by 3. So additive inverse of 1 by 3 is what? Minus 1 by 3. As I told you, only you have to change the sign. Next, you have, if you have given a 3 number, you have given minus 18. So what is the additive inverse of minus 18? That is 18 plus 18. Okay, so I hope you all understand how to solve question number 6. Okay, you have to find the additive inverse. In question number 7, you have to subtract the following. Okay, you have to find the subtraction. In question number 7, you have to subtract. Listen carefully. In question number 2, minus 5 by 6 from 1 by 3. So here you have, I am taking another problem also, minus 32 13 from minus 6 by 5. See here, in question number 7, you have to find the subtraction. Okay, you have to subtract the given rational number. So here you have to put one thing in your mind, that is the number which is just after the from, you have to put that number before the minus sign से पहले रखना है from वाला, because अगर आप इसको समझते हो तो दैट मीन्स -5/6 को क्या करना है, माइनस करना है 1/3 से, तो 1/3 पहले होगा, माइनस करना है किसी सब्ट्रैक्ट के लिए, ये माइनस साइन आया, और ऑलरेडी अ नंबर यू हैव गिवन इन अ नेगेटिव साइन, सो यू हैव टू पुट हियर इन ब्रैकेट. So 1/3 and minus into minus plus 5/6. So LCM of 3 and 6, you have 6, 3 2 ja 2 plus 5, that is 7/6. You have a required answer. Now I am going to solve question number 7. So here also, which is lie after the from, you have to put before the minus sign. This minus sign is for subtraction. Okay, this minus sign is for subtraction, and already you have a rational number is given in minus sign, so you have to put it inside the bracket. -6/7 minus into minus plus 32/13. So what is the LCM of 5 and 13? That is 65. 13 6 ja 78 and plus 13 5 ja 5 2 ja 10, 1 5 3 ja 15, 1 16. So here you have to subtract 10 out of 8 2 and 15 out of 7 8. So 82/65 is your required answer. So this is the process by using which you can find the subtraction of a given rational numbers. Only आपको बस यहाँ ये समझना है, that number which is after the from you have to put before the minus sign. ये बस concept याद रखना, बस आपका subtraction सही बन जाएगा. Okay, now I am going to solve question number 8. Okay, see. 8 of 4 in question number 8 you have given, you have to find solve this simplify by suitable rearrangement. आपको suitable rearrangement करके इसको solve करना है. So see -6/7 and here plus minus -15/7, दोनों का denominator same है, and plus minus -5/6 and plus into minus -4/9. ये जो है ना आपका multiply के form में, ठीक है. So let's 7, the LCM of 7 minus 6 and minus 15, and here the LCM of 6 and 9 is 18. 3 2 ja 3 3 ja 3 2 ja 6, 6 3 ja 18. Okay, 6 3 ja 18, 3 5 ja 15 minus 9 2 ja 18, 4 2 ja 8. So here you have minus 15 and minus 6 and minus 15 plus होगा obviously, minus 21/7 and minus plus here also. So 15 and 8. 23/18. So here 18 7 ja 126, ठीक है. So 18 ja 18 1 ja 18 1, 18 2 ja 36 1 37. 18 7 ja 126, 18 ja 126. So 7 3 ja 21 2, 7 2 ja 14 2 16. Now 9 6 and 7, 13 1 3 1 4 1 5 minus by 126. 5 by 7 7 ja 49, 7 7 ja 49, 7 1 ja 7, 56, 7 ja 56. So -77 and -77/18 is your required answer. So I hope you all are understand how to solve exercise 1C. So here you have left few questions, that is question number 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So which we will discuss in our next session. So don't miss the video which I am given you on your WhatsApp group. So okay then, thank you.